Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, you might be checking out Slicethepie, and maybe you're wondering, can you really get paid for your opinion, okay? Is this real? Is this legit? Or is this just a waste of time, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, if this is your first time here, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, so let's check out Slicethepie today to find out whether this is the good or the ugly, right? Maybe there are better ways to make money online out there. Now, Slicethepie is basically a reviews and opinions website. So you can come here and you can sign up for free, all right? They're going to send you a confirmation email, so make sure you confirm your email. And once you log in, you need to take a pre-qualification questionnaire so they understand a little bit more about your situation. Now, the thing about Slicethepie is that it's only available in certain countries. So they're available in all the big English-speaking countries, right? So the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and some of the European countries as well. But they're not available everywhere, right? So if you sign up and you don't get access to any surveys, then unfortunately, this is probably not a great way for you to generate income. But don't worry, if you're in one of those countries, stick till the end of this video and I'll show you a really cool way to start generating income online, all right? Now with Slicethepie, there's a few ways that you can actually make music, okay? You can generate income, right? So the first thing is you can review music, which is pretty cool. So you listen to a track for a couple of minutes, and then you would literally write a little description of what you think of it, and then you would rate it like a survey, right? Really, really cool. It'll take you about 2-3 minutes to do one rating because you have to listen to the music, and then you have to actually do the rating, right? So about 3 minutes roughly. You can also review things like logos, for example, and you can review fashion as well. And these are real reviews that you're actually doing. So you check out something, you write a little blurb on what you think about it, and then you would rate it based on specific categories. And that's pretty much it. It's really, really simple, right? And it depends on where you live. If you live in a country where they've got a lot of surveys, then you can get access to quite a few, surveys that you can answer. But if you're unlucky, sometimes they don't have that many surveys. So it just depends on your luck, okay? Now, the big question is how much do you get paid? And can you make a lot of money with Slicethepie, right? Now, just like a lot of other survey websites out there, unfortunately, when it comes to taking surveys or doing reviews, they're not going to be able to pay you that much money, right? Because otherwise, they're not going to be able to generate profits, okay? So with Slicethepie, you start at about 1 cent per review. So for example, if I jump on and I was to do a review on a piece of music, right? I listen to it for 2 minutes, I fill in the survey, I give, my opinion, I'll make 1 cent, all right? So it's really not that much. Over time, as you build your profile, you will start to get more per review that you do. So it'll go up to 2 cents and then 3 cents, and it's kind of around there. It doesn't really go up by too much more, all right? So if you think about it, it's going to take you quite a long time in order for you to make a lot of money with this, because at least a few minutes for every survey, it's quite a lot of work because you have to write a proper blurb on your actual review, answer a few different questions, rate it on a few different categories. It will definitely take you a few minutes for every single piece of music, logo, or fashion item that you actually review, all right? So really, you're not making that much money. Even on the high side, 3 cents per review. I mean, it's going to take you a little while to get to the threshold. So to withdraw from Slicethepie, they pay out through PayPal. And you have to make $10 before you can withdraw. Now think about it. If you're making 3 cents per review, how long is it going to take you to make $10? It's going to take you a while, literally hours and hours and hours, right? It might be, a week before you can withdraw your $10. It might be 2 weeks, all right? It's just a very, very long time. So even though Slicethepie is real, it's legit, it's free, and it's available in any big English-speaking country, the problem is that they really don't pay that much. It's so small that you have to ask yourself, is it really worth your time? Right? I mean, if you do the math, let's just say it takes you about, let's just say 4 minutes to answer a question. In 60 minutes, you can answer about 15 questions, right? So if you're being paid 3 cents per question, 15 times 3 cents, right? You're making about 45 cents per hour. It's so low. A per hourly rate is not even $1. It's super duper low. So it's going to take a long time for you to make money. So while I think that Slicethepie is pretty cool. It's free. It's a legitimate website. They really do pay out. I think that there are a lot of other better ways for you to make money online out there. I just feel like on a per hourly rate, if you're trading time for money, this is a really slow way to make money, right? So if you want to just come here and, you know, just give your opinion, I think it's a fun way because the surveys are pretty fun. But if you're here to make money, I don't really recommend Slicethepie, because I think that there's so many other better ways to generate big income, if that makes sense, okay? So if this is the first time you're here on my website, on this channel, I have literally reviewed, you know, tons and tons of strategies to make money online. I have reviewed different websites, different apps, different business models. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? But out of all of the good ones that I've reviewed, there was one strategy that I used to completely change my life. I actually used this to quit my full-time job. I make 5 times what I used to in my old corporate job. I think it's great for beginners or anybody that really wants to make big income online. If you want to check that out, I've actually documented this in my free masterclass that you can check out if you want. It's just the link right below this video, okay? I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review today of Slicethepie, all right? And I hope to see you on another video review. Take care and all the best.